Sis, you is not curling up. Curl up. Come on.
My baby one in a million. She always killing them. All the man them feeling her. But she the me to my result. My baby one in a million. She always killing them. All the man them feeling her. But she the me to my result. Girl, you cannot see what you done to me. Girl, I'm suddenly. Take time on me, don't run away. Cause baby, we got unfinished business said.
Don't see me one day.
Cause I don't wanna waste your time telling me you don't love me. Cause baby girl, what is the difference? We both
Need somebody.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Do Mapsy gang, Mapsy Mafia, you know how we do, stay slick with it, and I'm back again with another video. So yeah guys, today we're doing this wig and two looks. There's gonna be a straight look and there's gonna be a wet look and also an outfit. So yeah, let's just get right into it. This is another 2-in-1 video. I'm hoping you guys really like these videos and are enjoying these videos. All of the hair information will be in the description box down below, so do not forget to check that out. Before we carry on in this video, do not forget to smash the like button and also leave a comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get it cracking. Guys, I'm very skeptical about these type of wigs because last time I did a fake scalp video, it was with a different company, but the ear tabs wouldn't match up. I've got a low hairline, so the wig wasn't ideal for people with like low hairlines, and I struggle with that a lot when it comes to like wigs. But yeah, Hairvivi said, they told me, they were like, no, this one ain't gonna fail. It ain't gonna fail. So I was like, okay, put your money where your mouth is, okay? Send me a wig. Get it shipped out. This is literally, I do not have to do no plucking, I don't have to do no blending, I don't have to do nothing. So if that's what they're saying, we're gonna try it out. It says the hairline is pre-plucked, the knots are pre-bleached, and this also requires no wig cap underneath, no bald cap method, and no customization. The extra layer lace is delicate and doesn't make the top thick. It's still very soft and breathable. So I've got a pretty small head, so I'm gonna start off by making sure this bit is tight. And yeah guys, my real nails are out because, like, listen, one of my nails broke and then like it was just messing up my nail. The lace at the back, I'm gonna chop that off. So this is what the inside looks like, and this is what the top looks like. It looks pretty like close to my skin color, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and take this off because you can see my edges. Like, I've got a low hairline, like right here it comes, I think there's just about a finger space between my hair and the brows. Okay, Mr. Ice Cream Van. So I'm gonna have to pull this forward, you see, and I'm gonna actually have to stick this on my baby hairs, which I really don't like doing. And like this, I'm gonna have to like pull my baby hair back. So yeah, I just kept my baby hairs out for the beginning of the video because I wanted to actually show you guys what it means to like have a low hairline. But as you can see, yeah, let me get a comb. The trouble that I have with these types of like new fake scalp wigs is, as you can see, the lace is actually over, so it's actually a pretty good match for my skin. However, when I go to part it, they said you can part it anywhere, but there's this, do you know what I'm saying? But if I've got a low hairline, because my edges are often left out and the wig has to sit on top of my edges, this line here is very distinctive. As you can see, like here my skin is here, so it blends in pretty seamlessly, but if I do this over here with the same parting, you can see that line. Okay, so we're gonna try pattern it, we're gonna try finesse it, because I always like to give wigs and hair companies the benefit of the doubt, and I always try my best. So, you know, if you've got a low hairline, if you don't have time to sort of cut the lace up going like this, I can't actually do that because the fake wig cap method is actually just sitting right here. However, I'm going to show you a way you can finesse it if you don't have time to like customize it and stuff. So what you're going to do is just the middle part, you're going to pull it back. Obviously the wig is going to slide back too, but you're going to pull it back like this, where you get to a point where it's like, okay, cool, this is where it actually needs to be sitting. But you're going to just tug this until it covers your edge. So the wig is going to lay on your edges. It's not going to lay just in front of your hairline, which it should, but it's going to lay on your edges. I'm going to go in with my Got To Be, and I'm going to put that across the part where the wig is going to lay. This is something important, yeah? Obviously, I get this is meant to be a wig that you don't do anything for, but guys, you know, I just had to do like my edges just a little bit, like I just had to pattern them in it. So with that being said, this hair is definitely Lisa approved. It's definitely, you know, I'm liking it. Woo! 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 Let's not look at my nails. They're gonna get fixed a few days later. And also, because when I read the description of the wig, it said that it was a wavy or like curly type of wig, and I'm like, that's not how it came in the box. It came silky straight, came boom, 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 boom straight. So I'm thinking, okay, cool. Anyway, so I'm gonna try and achieve the wet look now to see if it will go with my outfit that I've picked out. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. I've got my spray bottle of water. I've got my Got To Be Glued spray. And I've also got my Cantu hair mousse. So let's see. Okay. Okay.
Stop that, cock that, bust that, run that. My old thing, I might drop that. Getting kinda cheap.
Ooh! Sis, you is not curling up. Curl up. Come on. Okay, I'm seeing waves. Okay, I'm seeing curl now. I'm seeing it. The curls are coming out. The edges moved. Oh ho! Yeah. It was like bun straight, so I was like really confused. Woo! I need to take snaps now because now I'm looking so cute. I'm looking so cute. I'm trying to think, what shoes? Trainers, sandals. So the slides I'm wearing are my Givenchy poolside black slides. These are in a size 4. And listen, guys, in the Pretty Little Thing haul, I know it got taken down. Anyways, in the Pretty Little Thing haul, my sandals, they were size 4 and they were tight on me. And like, I'm like a size 3.5, 4. Like, it depends, some heels, some trainers, it just depends. I never like go over a 4, so I was like, And I saw the reviews on these, yeah. They said like people with narrow feet, they don't really like them because they've got a lot of space. And I was like, they're for me! So even though they're a bit pricey, these are the only sandals, slides, whatever, I can comfortably wear without saying, oh my god, my feet are so fat, my feet are so this. So yeah, this, let me show you the little fit for today. Yep, so I've got these slides on. I probably would wear a belt with this, but I feel like a belt would be too much simply because... Oh wait, look, now the lighting's back. So yeah guys, for this outfit, I would wear a belt because like there's a bit of a gap on the waist. Like, these shorts did not bring me in on the waist at all. But I feel like it'd be too much because of like all the like little wrapping detail that's going on with the top. Now let me just break down my outfit details to you guys. I like the purse with it. I just feel like some people just like carrying bags out. Some people might have more to carry. Yeah, my slides. I absolutely love these slides. They're so comfortable. They fit me properly. Top is from Pretty Little Thing. My shorts are also from Pretty Little Thing. My purse is from Michael Kors. And my sliders are Givenchy slides. And yeah, that's literally it. That I'm not wearing any jewelry. I'm not wearing any watches, anything like that, because this top goes like quite low down, so unless you're like rolling it up or something, you probably won't be able to see the jewelry you're wearing anyway. I probably wear a cute little necklace with this, but I just like the fit like this anyway. And yeah, that's basically the fit. I'm gonna model it for you guys, and yeah, obviously this is like a high-low outfit because the whole outfit is Pretty Little Thing, which is like super affordable, but then the accessories like the shoes and the purse are designer, so it's like and the thing is, I don't own like a lot of designer stuff like at all, but I own things that I can like just wear with anything to like sort of make it look a bit more nice, like a bit more cute.
My baby, 1 in a million. She always killing them. All the man them feeling her. But she the me to my result. My baby, 1 in a million. She always killing them. All the man them feeling her. But she the me to my result. Girl, you cannot see what you done to me. Girl, I'm suddenly.
So yeah guys, that is the end of the video. I know, sad. See you in the next one. But anyway, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe on this video. I hope you really enjoyed it and you learned 1 or 2 things about like high and low dressing and how to like look really cute and look like you really tried and you really dressed up just by adding like maybe 1 or 2 not that expensive like designer items to your affordable outfit. So yeah, with that being said guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Run that. My old thing, I might drop that. Getting kinda cheeky, girl, stop that. And I clock that. Her body set good like a rat trap.